Okay, this is actually out of the math packet, page 4, question number 3. It's about the bicycles, racing bicycles per month, and they give you a cost function, a revenue function, and part A says to find the profit function. Well, profit is found by taking revenue minus cost. So the profit would be the revenue minus 3x squared plus 1800x minus cost, and be careful because you want to distribute the negative sign, 72,000, meaning you're going to have minus 3x squared plus 1800x minus 420x minus 72,000, because you need to distribute. And so all I can pretty much do from here is I collect like terms. And so my profit equation will be minus 3x squared. 1800 minus the 420 would give me a plus 1380x, and then minus the 72,000. Alright, and then part B wants you to find the break-even points. Well, remember how you find the break-even points for the profit equation is I just take this and I set it equal to 0. Well, I don't know about you, I cannot factor this, so I'm going to have to plug this into the quadratic formula, which says minus b, and my b's the 1380, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4a, which is negative 3, c, which is negative 72,000, all over 2 times a, which is negative 3. And I mentioned in one of the lecture videos where you could find a quadratic formula solver, and so it's actually a lot easier than having to plug all this in, but you should get x equals 60 and x equals 400 for your break-even points. Part C wants to find the number of bicycles that will maximize the profit. Well, if I'm looking for a max on part C, I'm going to look at the top of that vertex, which that's the formula, the minus b over 2a. And I'm going to get minus a 1380 is my b over 2a, and my a is negative 3. And I get 230. So the 230 now, I would plug back into my profit, because it says find the number of bicycles, so this would be the number of bicycles. And then I plug this back into my profit equation, which is way up there. And if you plug that back into your profit equation, you should get 86,700.